Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back to this online class of computer with me Ikra. This video is for class 2nd. So in this video we will discuss about processing and output. So firstly we will discuss about processing. What is processing? After taking the input, the computer works on it. It is called processing. So it means, as we already know that a CPU, central processing unit, is the brain of a computer, and CPU collects the input data from us and perform operations as per the instructions provided by us. So this process is known as processing. It takes place in the CPU. Why it takes place in the CPU? Because CPU processes the data in instructions. Okay. Processing arranges the data into useful result called output. Who arranges the data? Processing. And the result that is obtained at last is called output. Okay, so now output devices. What is output devices? The devices which show the result of work done by a computer are called output devices. Means it displays the result of the process data. It displays the result of process data known as output device. Some of the output devices are, first one is monitor. Monitor looks like a television. You can see movies, cartoons, films, and the work which you do through the keyboard or mouse on the monitor. So it means we already know that monitor is the most common output device, and it looks like a television. Television means TV. We can see movies, cartoon, films on the monitor. The monitor also displays what is being done on the computer. Okay. Next one is printer. What is printer? Printer is an output device? Yes, printer is also an output device. A printer is used to get the print copy of your work which you do on the computer. It is connected to the CPU through a cable. What is the work of printer? Printer is used to get the output on a paper, and this output can be in the form of text, pictures or graphs, and it is connected to the CPU through a cable. It is connected to the CPU with the help of a cable. Understand? Next one is speaker. What is speaker? Speakers are used to hear sound, and speakers are used to hear sound coming out from the computer. They are connected to the CPU with a cable. So we use speakers to hear music and other sounds on a computer, right? So, and speakers are also connected to the CPU through a cable. Okay. So what is the use of speaker? We use speaker to hear music, sound on a computer. Understand? That's all. Chapter is over. Thank you.